Cooking is exercising. So you have nowhere to go in quarantine, just keep cooking. Guarantee you, after quarantine, you're in good shape. This fresh noodles. Are you gonna try this? There's one ingredient so many people use here. Sesame paste, which traditionally, it's not in the Dan Dan Mian recipe. And I love sesame paste, it tastes good, but it's just different versions. Hello, Vivian here. So today, I'm making a classic Sichuan dish, Dan Dan Noodles. I can call it authentic. I will make everything from scratch. Everything from scratch. Now we make the dough. 300 gram all-purpose flour. Of course, everything I do is chopsticks. So now we add water little by little in the flour. You see the lumps forming? Just keep mixing. If you have a mixer, actually you can do it in a stand mixer too. You can see now they come together as a dough. Still a little dry, but don't worry. Rest the dough for 30 minutes. So now we take the dough out. You will see on the dough, they'll become soft. Then we cover again for another 30 minutes. We are back. Oh, it's really soft now. Very nice. Now we get a rolling pin. We're going to make this a little bigger. So we really try to make this one long, thin piece. This is kind of flat. We're going to fold this. Just fold that. Fold this way. Fold again. Let's cut in half. The small noodles. Just ready for some noodles. Look at that, so long, so fabulous. You can make all this with a pasta machine. It'll be easier, but I just want to show you how to make by hand. So here I prepared the meat sauce for the noodles. Mix the ginger with ground pork. Another important ingredient you can get in Asian market is yacai. This is a fermented mustard green. So we are going to stir fry this together first. Ginger in here. We stir fry until the meat is kind of dry. Now we add the yacai in. You can see the pork is getting dry. Good, add some cooking wine. So now the meat topping is ready. Now the most important thing, Dan Dan Mian sauce. First, we add soy sauce, 3 tablespoons, Chinese vinegar. I like to add a little more just for myself. Salt to taste, a little bit of salt. Chili oil I just made, homemade chili oil. In Sichuan, we just have this at home. Nothing fancy, 2 ingredients. Depends how spicy you want. I can add more. This is about 1 teaspoon peppercorn oil. And these are really good ones, so I only add a half teaspoon, not even. Always add a little sugar to balance the taste. By adding some green onions in the sauce. I have my homemade bone broth. I use this for cooking, noodles, everything. But if you really don't have any bone broth or chicken stock, just add water. Always taste your food. So good. Water is boiling. Get our handmade noodles ready. Hello. Put it in. Those fresh noodles cook very short time, like a couple of minutes. So in Sichuan, we always add some cold water while you're boiling dumplings and noodles. I think just make it a little more chewy and not mushy. So now noodles ready. Turn off the heat. Put the noodles in the sauce. Fresh noodles, the texture is amazing. I have to try this. So add the noodle water if you don't have chicken stock. Also, in Sichuan noodles, you always add some vegetable just in the water for 2 seconds. I usually use P-tips, but I don't have it today. Then the meat topping, Dan Dan noodle. Wow. Now, are you gonna try this? If you never had fresh noodles, you're missing out. Dry noodles just cannot compete with this texture, freshness. Try this. It's so good. Don't leave, keep watching. Vivian, bloopers next. Watch next, please. From Sichuan province. Just keep mixing. Today I'm making a class. My kids in the background are so loud. 你们小声点儿。